By the end of this Canva tutorial, you should be able to blur an image or photos inside Canva. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So I have a blank canvas right here inside Canva. Let's begin by adding a photo. So let's go for photos, and just by default, let's go for the photo that's available, either the photo of the beach or whatever photo that you have available. I can just drag it, and if you hold it, it may feel inside your canvas, but if it comes in like this and you want it to be inside this whole canvas, you can just right click on it and click on set image as background. Click on that and your image fills this particular canvas that you have. So let's assume the reason why you want to blur the image is to add some text. So let's begin by adding text, and we can just go with a heading. Have fun at the beach. So whatever you want. Let's change the color to, let's say, yellow, white. Then let's make this a little bit bigger. So we can also move it to the center somewhere there. Now, one thing you'll notice is that the photo makes it difficult to see the text. So one thing you can do is just click on the photo and then click on edit image. Once you do that, click on adjust, and once you do that, you'll see the blur slider. Move it to see the results that you get. So you can just move it slightly, move it extensively, and you'll see how the different options work. If you move it to the other direction, you'll see how grainy it gets, but to get a good blur, you move it to this in this direction. So you still want to have some of the beach available and the water right here, but now you have your text. You may need to reposition or actually have a different color for your text so that it can easily be visible. But this is potentially a little bit better than when we have, let's say, the blur at 0. I believe more or less. Yes, I think so. Yes. But now when you don't have the blur, the elements are a little bit more visible. But if you're looking to pull off such a stunt or such an image where you actually have the text pop out and the background blurred, then this is how you can blur an image or a photo in Canva. That's it from me. My name is David. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.